you a mesomorph? If you are, you'll know it from the jealous looks. Mesomorphs look well built without even having to set foot in the gym. The moment they do, they can pack on muscles very easily. If this sounds like you, then you've hit the genetic jackpot. But can you make the most of your DNA with some tactical workout tricks? Stay tuned for some tips and tricks on the mesomorphic type. Hi YouTubers, welcome back to I Read Fitness with Reed Smith. I do apologize that I have been MIA. I had a lot of personal things going on that wouldn't allow me to record like I wanted to and get my post up. But I am back and I am talking about mesomorphs. Mesomorph, you guys have the body type that finds it easiest to add new muscles and don't tend to store much fat. Mesomorphs tend to take their natural athletic builds for granted, which can result in diluted workouts and poor diets. Keeping in peak physical condition is often tempted by a scattered approach to eating and training. The key here, guys, is making the most of your body shape. This means following a progressive plan that will make you stronger and more athletic by increasing your power without getting too bulky. To fuel your workouts, you need around 2,500 calories a day, getting plenty of whole grains by limiting your total fat intake. Some of the same research that is unflattering for ectomorphs are positives for mesomorphs. One of the positives is an increase in m.i.a, a key gene responsible for muscle growth. Because mesomorphs are just genetically gifted, sometimes they slack off with their workouts, with their dieting, just because they think their body can burn it all fast. So watch what you guys eat and make sure you set a goal by having a timed workout and increasing your intensity every week. Mesomorphs should train athletically, so sprints, box and vertical jumps, or other plyometric are ideal. They respond well to low reps and power moves. Alternatively, interval sprints will pump up your metabolism and strip away fat. Although the usual caveat applies, the good news is your body will respond very well to anything healthy that you put into it. Plus, you guys can get away with eating a moderate amount of carbs. A basic guideline for mesomorphs to follow would be to consume meals that are 40% complex carbohydrates, 30% lean protein, and 30% healthy fats. So for example, a plate that contained vegetables such as cauliflower and broccoli, grilled chicken, and olive oil on whole grain bread would represent a stable dish for your body type. Mesomorphs who are sub 15% body fat should aim for 6 grams of carbs, 4 grams of protein, and 1.2 grams of fat per kilogram of body weight on training days. On rest days, reduce the carbs to 5%. More healthy fats will help make up for the reduced carbs without risking insulin sensitivity that can make you store fat. Mesomorphs respond well to power moves. Try pairing strength moves with power moves that work the same muscles. For example, superset 5 reps of deadlift with 5 reps of power cleans. The mesomorph cheat sheet. The do's. Do train like an athlete. Do time your workouts. Do set personal bests. The don'ts. Don't take your body for granted. Don't eat whatever you like. There you have it, guys. Tips and tricks on the mesomorph body type. If you found this information useful, please smash that subscribe button, that like button, and that share button. I do appreciate you guys for giving me your time and watching the videos. I might go missing for maybe like a week or two because I'm planning a trip to Miami, so I would definitely be doing some recording on that trip. And plus, I will make a video on how to do exercises while you're on the road or on vacation. Until then, you guys stay tuned.